Hey, what is going on, guys? It is Remy here. Today we're back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about a couple ways to make some money as a teenager. Now, obviously, I know what it's like to be a teenager. I'm 16 years old. I know the struggle. It can be really hard to actually make money and buy the things that you want. And obviously, you're a teenager, so you want a lot of things, especially expensive things. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a couple ways that you can earn a little extra cash if you just have a part-time job and you just want a little bit of extra cash on the side, or if you just want a little bit of cash in general. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to be talking about is Mercari. This is a app where you can sell old things, and I know that you've heard this a lot, but this is actually a very good way to make a ton of money. Like I said, I know that you guys have heard this so many times from other videos. Trust me, I was there once. I was looking through tons of videos, and I got tired of hearing about this app specifically. Maybe not this specific app for you guys, but definitely a couple other apps. But let me just tell you, this app is actually really good for making a ton of money. Throughout the years, probably 2 to 3 years, just selling random stuff that I had, like old electronics, old shoes, clothing, stuff like that, I have made a total of $1,108.70 over the last 2 to 3 years. I've only sold 33 items and I've made $1,100. So that just kind of shows how easy it is. And if you sign up with the link in the description down below, then you'll get a free $10 coupon off of your first purchase. Like I said, I made a ton of money off this app. It's a really easy way to make just a bunch of money. Like I said, I made like $1,100 over the past couple years, so it's a great way to declutter your room as well as get a little bit of extra cash on the side. Alright, so another way for any of you guys that are looking for maybe manual labor jobs, one of them would be to mow lawns. And I know this is also a very common way, but personally I did this for 2 years. The first year I did this, I made a total of, I believe, like $1,200 over the summer just mowing this one person's lawn. Doing that, I bought my first computer, which allowed me to do a bunch of other stuff, which I might mention later on in this video or in future videos if you guys want more. But I made about $1,200 and bought myself a really nice computer. So yeah, anyways, you can do that. Typically, I charged $40 for the front and back, but I would look into it, talk to the people that you're going to be mowing their lawn, and see what they're willing to pay and how big the yard is, and take everything into consideration, as well as what you're willing to take for all that kind of stuff. Alright, next thing. If you're really good with animals and you don't mind walking a lot, you can walk animals, or dogs specifically, because I don't really know what other animals you could walk, because most people don't walk their cats, but maybe you never know. So you can walk dogs. I did this as well the first summer that I started really working for the same lady that I was mowing her lawn. She was paying me, I believe, about $5 every day to walk her dog 2 times a day, which doesn't sound like much, but it definitely adds up considering I was doing it the entire summer, give or take a few days when I was either sick or going on vacation or at my friend's house or something. Alright, so another thing that you guys have probably heard of, number 4, is selling candy or chips at your school. And I know a lot of schools don't allow this, so if your school doesn't allow this, don't do it. Don't get in trouble. It's not worth it. But a lot of the most common snacks and chips and drinks or whatever would be Coke, obviously for drinks, Takis, which is a very popular spicy like chip Cheeto type thing if you haven't heard of them for some reason. And then just like any candy really will sell. I used to do this as well at my old school, and it didn't work out super well in my old school because we only went 2 days a week and there wasn't that many people anyways. So alright, and last but not least, if you are trying to make a little bit of extra money on the side, if you have a YouTube channel, then you can actually make a little bit of money from that. If you have over 1,000 subscribers, I believe, 4,000 minutes watch time, and I believe over 10,000 total channel views. I did this with one of my older channels before they made their guidelines a bit stricter, and I had like 300 subscribers or something like that. When I signed up, I had like 10,000 total channel views, so 40,000 views because I had really good CPM because the channel was very child friendly. I made, if I'm not mistaken, around $40, but unfortunately AdSense does not let you release it unless it's over 100. However, if you already have a YouTube channel with all the stats needed and you're pulling in a good amount of views, then definitely go ahead and try to get monetized. Just make sure that you stay child friendly, because with the way YouTube is right now, you will get absolutely destroyed with ads. So hopefully this video helped a few of you guys out. If not, I apologize. If you want me to make more of these with more ways to make more money that I've also experienced and experimented with, then just leave a comment in the comment section down below and or like the video. And if you enjoyed this, just subscribe if you really feel like it. And if you did enjoy it, then go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. And if you didn't, I guess leave a dislike or a hate comment. I don't really care. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I was that fat, where the stash at? Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas know where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to keep me 5 mile water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, swing up. A lot of niggas out here playing they ball. I done my whole arm.